Hello guys, today I have got Redmi Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how to fix your earbuds Redmi Buds 8 Lite when they don't respond or respond slowly to the touch controls. So at first what I do recommend to do is to do the factory reset. Doing the factory reset is actually really helpful. So find this button right here in the charging port and keep holding it for 10 seconds till you see this LED light blinking. Now we are in the pairing mode, so keep holding it. Now we've got two long flashes, which means that this was a factory reset. So now after the factory reset, everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work fine still, you need to clean your earbuds. Probably this may be the issue. As you can see here, we've got our charging our touch areas. So if you feel that this is oily or some moisture, if you feel some moisture or any other debris, take some brush or cloth or cotton swab and clean it. And if it doesn't work still, there are no other things that I actually can show you. That should be it. Goodbye.